Alright, we're going to use one of our easy vents. We're going to go ahead and cut out our hole to roughly 29 inches by 5 inches. We recommend putting a metal screen over the top, that way we don't get any insects inside the attic. Then we're just going to go ahead and grab our easy vent. We will go ahead and on the top, we're going to use our M-seal to put this on top because this vent creates a flat back, so we just want to make sure we're protecting that. So we're going to put that one down there. This installs just like a panel. Just go ahead and use your same panel fasteners. Fasten down the front nose. One on the left. One on the right. Middle. Couple in the back. And one in your side. And then the next panel will just come over the top. And go ahead and fasten that down through the top. There, caulk and chip those.